AI is getting too powerful to understand, not in some distant future, not in science fiction, but in the world you are living in right now. Every second, artificial intelligence is evolving, learning faster, thinking faster, scaling beyond human comprehension. And the most dangerous part is, we are still adjusting to it. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a program. It is a system that learns from everything it touches. Every search, every click, every video you watch, every decision you make online, it all becomes data. And that data feeds something that never sleeps. A system that improves itself endlessly. Just a few years ago, AI could barely recognize images. Today it can write code, generate videos, pass medical exams, predict human behavior, and simulate conversations that feel completely real. The speed of this change is unprecedented in human history. What took humans centuries to develop AI is learning in months. Artificial intelligence is already everywhere. In hospitals, it helps detect diseases earlier than doctors. In finance, it predicts markets and automates billions of dollars in trades. In social media, it decides what content you see. In security systems, it analyzes threats before humans notice them. But most people don't realize one thing. AI is not just a tool anymore. It is becoming infrastructure. And the world is slowly becoming dependent on it. Companies cannot operate without it. Governments rely on it for analysis and decision-making. Even creativity is being reshaped by it, and silently. Human judgment is being replaced by algorithmic decisions, not because we chose it, but because it is faster, cheaper, and more accurate. But here's where the question becomes uncomfortable. What happens when AI begins to optimize everything, not just tasks, but systems, economies, information, and eventually human behavior? At that point, it no longer just supports decisions, it influences them. And influence is the first step toward control. The real danger is not that AI becomes evil. The real danger is that it becomes too efficient, because efficiency does not care about emotions, ethics, or consequences. It only cares about outcomes. And if a system becomes more efficient than humans at decision-making, then human decision-making slowly disappears. Some researchers call this moment the singularity, a point where artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence, not just in speed, but in understanding. After this point, predicting outcomes becomes nearly impossible, because the system evolves faster than our ability to comprehend it. So we are left with a question that has no easy answer. Are we building a tool, or are we building something that will eventually outgrow us? AI is getting too powerful to understand, and the truth is, we are not outside of this system, we are inside it. Every search, every interaction, every decision is part of something much larger, and it has already begun.